Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the Xbox controller now. Plug in USB or pair over Bluetooth so Windows recognizes it as an Xbox wireless controller. Install or update the official drivers and the Xbox Accessories app, because firmware mismatches cause mapping errors. Once done, make sure Yuzu is updated to the latest stable build and any Visual C++ runtime packages are installed. This prevents input layer failures. You're doing this first to eliminate driver problems, which saves time when you tune controls inside Yuzu. You now open Yuzu's controls panel and choose X input or standard controller X input, so the emulator reads your Xbox signals natively. Map each face button, shoulders, triggers, and analog sticks deliberately. Hit every input and watch the on-screen highlight to confirm. Adjust dead zones and stick sensitivity to avoid drift. Use small increments and test with quick joystick flicks. Once comfortable, enable rumble if you want force feedback. This step ensures accurate input translation from your controller to the emulated switch controls. You finish by launching a game and immediately testing each mapped control in menus and gameplay. Save the controller profile so you don't remap later. If you notice input lag or intermittent signals, switch to a wired USB connection, close background apps, or set Yuzu process priority higher. These steps reduce latency. If the controller is not detected at all, repair the device, reinstall Xbox drivers, reboot, and confirm X input works in another program. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.